What's going on, y'all? We have the MUCAR 892BT. This is a Bluetooth scan tool. It has a little stand on the back so you can prop it up on your toolbox, or you can use it on the steering wheel, which is what I really like. Let's see, let's kick it out a little more. There we go. Kick it out just a little bit more, and then it should hang onto the steering wheel. Straighten it out. Now you got to take off the VCI. Okay, there's the Bluetooth wireless VCI. There we go. And it should hang on there just fine. Let's see. Alright, so I have it propped up onto the steering wheel. And then you just get your Bluetooth wireless VCI. That's the MU8AE-SYS. And on this vehicle, it's just right over here. So, I know it by feel. But your vehicle, you just have to find it. Let's see. Okay, hear it beeping. I don't know if I need to pair it in here. Let's see. Let's just do diagnose, auto search, see if it populates. Yeah, it's already connecting. It's already connecting right here, connecting to Bluetooth, VIN scan. It's on a 2018 Mazda 3 Grand Touring right now. It's got 97%. We're on Wi-Fi. It's 5:37 p.m. Didn't pull the VIN. That's kind of weird. All right, let's see. Do not forget to remove the VCI from the device. Let's try it again. I might need to do an update for it to find. Okay, let's try it again. VIN code parsing failed. Let me see, I might need to do an update here. So this is a 2018 Mazda 3. It should be able to pull the VIN. I've checked in the updates and the upgrades. I don't see anything there. And I know my top-down Autel can do it, so I'm gonna have to contact their customer service and make an upgrade. I'd like how it tells you do not forget to remove the VCI. Let's do diagnose, auto search. Yeah, they're gonna have to fix that because they should be able to pull the VIN for sure. Yeah, okay. Let's go to Mazda software. Where is Mazda? Right here, Mazda. Okay. Let's see if it pulls it now. Let's do, there's ignition on, only fix some models, manually reset service, automatically search, manually select. Set the ignition switch to on, hit OK. The vehicle's running. And it pulls the VIN right there. So that's kind of weird. Hit OK. So let that run. Communicating. Let it spin. Okay, so there's high-speed scan, system scan, and choose to scan. Let's try system scan. Let's see what this does. You can see the percentage at the top, battery voltage for the actual vehicle, and then the battery voltage, the battery percentage for the tablet, the scan tool, scanner. And you can pause it. It is pulling the VIN. 19 systems found, 0 diagnostic trouble codes. Okay. Let's go back. Let's try a high-speed scan. Okay. So it did find one. It found 2 diagnostic trouble codes in the start-stop unit, right front exterior antenna. And then the definition vision system camera, continuous memory diagnostic trouble code. Let's see, there is MUAI and Google search. Let's see what the MUAI intelligent assistant, what it says. It's loading, has a little car driving down the road, kind of cool. Definition C100192 indicates a fault in the ABS system specifically related to the wheel speed sensor circuit. Kind of weird, because this vehicle is not showing anything. This is about the vision system camera, not ABS, so that's kind of weird. You can always do a Google search. It'll say welcome to Chrome. Chrome won't run without Google Play services, which are not supported by your device. Do a continue. So it just does a little Google search for it, and there's some little forums and stuff like that. So I believe you just swipe left. Let's check out this one, the right front exterior antenna, see what MU AI is all about, the intelligent assistant. It's loading. I guess it might load slower or faster just depending on how many hits and stuff they have on their system. This one's showing fault code 12101F48 indicates an issue with the airbag system. Passenger side airbag. So that's actually not correct, because this is talking about the passenger side door antenna to be able to unlock it. So that's kind of weird. So I think they're still working on this MU AI, because this vehicle still has the red key symbol on the exterior trunk antenna or the wireless for the door. But they can see that one for the key right there. We'll swipe left. You can make a report, and you can do the pre-scan, you can do post-scan. There's some mileage in, mileage out, notes, do okay. Shop name, telephone, email, the technician's name, city, customer, USA, zip code, state, country, hit okay. And then you can do, I think they meant a contrast report, but they meant contrast report, okay. You can make it a PDF. You can send it to your customers or send it to yourself. It's got all these codes. You can do print or share. Share, you can either do Bluetooth or email. Email's probably easier. Let's go back. Let's do clear diagnostic trouble codes. Okay, so it shows everything clear. So everything's gone from right there. So pretty cool, easy to use so far. The MU AI is still a work in progress, honestly. I mean, it might work in different areas better, but so far those two areas, it did not pick up exactly what it was talking about. I already did clear diagnostic trouble codes. Let's do another high-speed scan, see if it picks anything up. I'm just sitting here, I'm not driving. So it just scanned like 20 something modules. 71, 76, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100%. So it scanned 19 different modules. Every vehicle is going to have a different amount of modules. This one's got, 19, so all these different ones. Electrical parking brake, electronic power steering, forward sensing camera, start-stop unit. There is, so every vehicle, you're going to be able to check out the system list of what it has. Common special functions, throttle matching, seat, tire pressure monitor system reset, database, service, headlight, steering angle reset, immobilizer reset, brake reset. You can go back. Special functions, body, chassis, electrical, powertrain, coding, programmable module installation, programmable parameters. Let's do common special functions. Let's do service. What's in there? Change setting, remaining oil life. Immobilizer reset, brake reset. I don't want to do those right now. Throttle matching. Be like a throttle body idle compensation reset. What other special functions? Body, security, EATC operation check, calibration for passenger seat sensor. Chassis, ABS, dynamic stability control, electrical, forward sensing camera aiming, smart brake support. It's a radar cruise control for Mazda, data communication module, the blind spot monitor radar test, exterior lighting, headlamp, electrical, exterior lighting, BSM radar test, powertrain, OBD test modes, engine oil maintenance monitor. So let's see if you can go in here to front body control module. See if you can get into that one. Oh, that little online deal is kind of in the way. Okay. See if you can go in. You can go into each module from here, I believe. There's actuation tests in the front body control module, rear defogger, headlight, hazard lamp. So this scan tool is lifetime updates and also bidirectional. So you can do, let's see, you can do the hazard lamp. So this vehicle, it's over here behind the, yeah, it's right there. So you can do hazard lamp, you can do on. So that'll check the switch and the lights and everything. And then you can see I'm not hitting the button over there. Hit off. So then that stops it there. There's other active tests. There is PTC, front washer motor relay, rear washer motor relay. There's special functions. Let's see if there's one for the windows. Let's go back. Instrument cluster, powertrain control module, forward sensing camera, connectivity master unit. Oh, there's nothing in there to be able to check. Instrument cluster, that'll be your dash right there. Actuation test, tachometer, all warning lamps and indicator lamps. So you can check that. So you can see everything right there as it is. Do on. So it checks out all your lights, make sure they're all working. And then do off. So it turns that off. So pretty cool. All LCD segments, speedometer. Okay. Do special functions. Programmable module installation, the anti-theft system functions. Let's see, powertrain control module. So this unit is made by MUCAR. It's very similar to ThinkCar and Launch. Actuation test. Still loading. It loads pretty quick. The scanner is very snappy. Let's see, fan 1 control signal, the purge valve, active air shutters, fuel pump, injector 1, 2, 3, 4, oil pressure solenoid valve, special functions, remaining oil life. Not much here on this Mazda. The rear body control module, actuation test, all door lock motor, electric latch motor relay, electric latch, rear fog lamp, reverse lamp, burglar horn relay. We'll do all door lock motors. Let's do lock. And then watch that door, hit unlock. So this one's bidirectional. It's going to be able to test your switches and door motors. Let's see, I don't know if there's one for windows in there. I don't think so. They might not have it in the ECM to where it's, yeah. I mean, it's up to each. The scanner can do it, but it's just up to the vehicle's manufacturer of how they do it, how they add it. Amplifier module, blind spot monitoring, electronic air temperature controller. So pretty cool little unit. This is the MUCAR 892BT.